San Diego man will be tried on murder and DUI charges in the death of an 18-month-old little girl who was hit on the road in City Heights. Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Chiquetto. Prosecutors played surveillance video showing the crash at a preliminary hearing today. As CBS 8's David Gottfredson reports, officers testified the driver's blood alcohol level was 3 times the legal limit.
Surveillance video played in court from September 2022 shows 3 children walking through an alley toward the street and 18-month-old Annalie Rodarte, seen in white, following behind, right before the little girl is struck in the road by a hit-and-run driver. This is home video of Annalie that her family previously gave to CBS 8. She died in the hospital hours after the collision. We are not airing the surveillance video of the actual collision, but another surveillance camera captured the driver of a Toyota 4Runner right after leaving the scene of the accident. Here you can see a neighbor jump in his car and chase after the driver. He caught up to him, recording his license plate number and a confrontation a short time later.
Atropellaste a la niña. ¿Cuál niña? Te la acabas de atropellar.
Thanks to the quick thinking of that neighbor, officers arrested Margarito Vargas and found his SUV with an open container of alcohol inside.
The open 24-ounce Modelo can in the center console.
3 hours after the collision, a breath test showed he still had a blood alcohol level of 0.246, more than 3 times the legal limit. During today's preliminary hearing, a detective testified there can be little doubt that Vargas would have known he hit someone.
Well, first of all, you should see it. You would feel it. We saw in the video there was a rather drastic rise of the bumper. You would definitely feel that. We also saw the brake lights come on, and that's proven that that's a reaction.
The officer also testified there was blood and a white material found on the SUV.
It was a jelly-like substance that I felt I recognized.
What did you recognize it to be?
A baby's diaper.
In the end, the judge bound Vargas over for trial. He'll be back in court on May 18th. If convicted of the second-degree murder charge, Vargas faces 15 years to life in prison. At the downtown courthouse, David Gottfredson, CBS 8.
All right, David, thank you. A group